In Tamil Nadu, Puduvayal has become so popular because of the presence of rice mills. Rice is the major food crop in South Indians. Puduvayal village got second place in the state for the production of rice. In this entire village, wherever we see, there is a rice mill in all the directions. Here, we present the processing step of one of the popular modern rice mill in Puduvayal as sample, whose owner is Narivilli, a popular businessman in this village. Paddies are brought from various states like Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, etc. through vehicle like lorries. These paddies are then boiled in big boilers as shown in this picture and then sent through this dryer for drying. These dried paddies are sent through this device shown in this picture is used for the removal of husk. The husk removed rice contains a lot of unnecessary dust particles mixed with pure rice. Now these are sent through this big modern machine which had been imported from Japan. The value of this machine is 1 crore project. This machine has microscopic cameras to spot and separate the dust. This is the internal architecture of the machine. It contains the monitor view to show the details of speed, pressure, force, etc. After passing through the modern machine, the dust gets separated out and collected below on one side and pure rice get collected on the other side. This picture differentiates the pure rice and the dust. Then these pure rice are collected and packed by automatic packing machine as shown in this picture. These packed rice are then ready for transportation to various places in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, etc. A single well-trained man is only enough to surviving this entire machine. The waste produced after this processing is used as a fertilizers for the crops and coconut plantations, etc., which is situated in nearby areas. So nothing is wasted from these rice mills, and this popular rice mill yield 4 tons of rice per day. Once we put these paddies for boiling, after 4 hours it will give 1 ton of good rice without any manpower except that the supervisor. This is the major feature of this modern machine which is imported from Japan. This is about the processing steps in modern rice mills. Puduvayal just look like a village to other people, but truly this village has great industrial revolution within it. Thank you.